Generally, under the parole evidence rule, if the parties have reduced their agreement to a final written form, extrinsic evidence is inadmissible to vary the terms of the writing. One exception to this rule is the partial integration doctrine, which we'll discuss in Cole v. JNO M. Oakey. Tracy Lynn Cole entered into a contract with JNO M. Oakey, a company that provided cremation and funeral services. The contract obligated Oakey to provide cremation services for the remains of Tracy Lynn's husband. The contract specified that the cremated remains could be picked up by Carolyn Cunningham, a friend of Tracy Lynn, or Jessica Cole, Tracy Lynn's stepdaughter. Tracy Lynn also allegedly had conversations with Oakey's employees, further specifying that one urn would be given to each Cunningham and Jessica. However, 2 urns containing all the cremated remains were given to Jessica, who then refused to give Tracy Lynn any of the remains. Tracy Lynn filed suit against Oakey, claiming that Oakey breached the parties' contract by returning both urns to Jessica. Tracy Lynn argued that the parties agreed that one urn was to be given to Cunningham and the other to Jessica. She asserted that because the parties' written contract didn't specify how many urns each person was to receive, evidence of her conversations with Oakey's employees was admissible to establish the contract's terms. Oakey filed a demurrer, arguing that the parole evidence rule prevented the court from considering evidence of Tracy Lynn's conversations with Oakey's employees to establish the contract's terms. The trial court considered the parties' arguments.